The poster presented by Woke After Sales experts illustrates the structure of the car aftermarket in Europe, including its individual distribution stages and interrelationships. The poster highlights the major market participants and displays different distribution channels to aid understanding. The independent and authorized market channels are distinguished using different colors for each market participant listed. Each participant's short company profile is also included, providing basic details such as the company name, type of company, possible membership in a trade and buying group, and website. Furthermore, the poster provides general data that is useful, including the number of independent and authorized workshops and the car park data in Europe. It is important to note that Europe in this context refers to 35 countries, including Turkey, Ukraine, Russia, and Belarus. The poster's contents are derived from the After Sales Access database, a structured record of various markets that Woke After Sales experts have maintained for over a decade. This poster provides an overview of the car aftermarket structure in Europe, consolidating all relevant information in one place for ease of access. It effectively conveys the market's complexity visually, making it an ideal tool for employee training, a permanent reference for sales staff, or visual support during customer discussions. At Woke After Sales experts, we are equipped to provide detailed explanations of each component featured on the poster. The poster is available for direct online ordering, and we offer country-specific posters for Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and the UK, as well as posters highlighting the most important car parts distributors per market. To gain a deeper understanding of the information presented on the poster, we also offer an extended video explaining the different segments. Visit our website to learn more about our products and services.